Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brad, and today we're going to talk about XDTE, RDTE, and QDTE, just like we do every Wednesday. So that's what you're looking for. Stick around. So they came out with distributions, and how close was I from last week? Let's just look at the numbers. I said it was 21, 21.8, 26.5. They came out with 20.7. 24.4 and 26.7. There you go. Close enough. Very close. Horseshoes and hand grenades. About as close as you can get. And before you start typing about can you cover YBTC and YETH, the answer is no. They don't give me enough information. We're just going to go ahead and move on from that conversation. So let's talk about the calls that they did last week. XDTE did terrible on Monday. So XDTE did terrible on Monday. Yes, still a profitable week, but they're going to pay you that $2.2 million and pay you about 25 cents. If I look at QDTE, QDTE did terrible on that Monday, the 19th. Still a profitable week. And they're going to pay you right around that 21 cents. And we're going to talk about RDTE. RDTE did okay that Monday, but Friday was not the best day for them. So still a profitable week. At the end of the day, they're going to pay you that 30 cents, thereabouts, next week. Not this week, next week. So on June 6th, a very important day to Brad, it is XDTE 25 cents, QDTE 20 cents, almost 21, and RDTE right around that 30 cents. That's what they're going to be paying, more or less. You know, don't beat me up on the decimal points. At least I get close enough on the big ones, like 20 cents point something, or thereabouts. Well, now I want to take a quick moment of your time and look at a couple charts with you, because it's always good to go back and look at some of these charts just to see how things are going, just to make sure that maybe I'm missing something, maybe you're missing something. I don't know. Maybe we're missing something together. So let's look at XDTE, T-SPY, I-SPY, and SDTY all on a chart. I put it on a chart and I pulled up February 6th. I thought February 6th was a good date to pull up. And I look at this going, who leads the way? Well, it looks like T-SPY and I-SPY for total returns. Okay, I get it. Not going to continue to beat that horse. Let's look at one more chart. This is the chart that I really like to look at because it tells me what I really should care about, because I care because I get way too many comments of nav erosion. So I wanted to sound like a goat because that is what everybody sounds like. Let's put it up on a chart. Price percentage. And you see how XDTE and SDTY compared to I-SPY and T-SPY on that famous, notorious nav erosion that everybody wants to continue to comment about. And I really starting to think that people have no clue. Well, some of you do. We'll give you a majority of you actually have it. But the ones that actually have to type it in, well, they probably don't understand. So until next time, God bless. Oh yeah, don't invest in anything that's looking so bad on the price chart.